So I'm just going to go through the entire challenge set video here because there are many stop signs within, and I think it's a fantastic demo of how my feature performs in real time in a real world scenario. Yeah, and you can see frames per second is above 30, so that's great. And our optimal was at above 22, so that's great. And we see the first step time clearly detected. Okay, so that's one down. And it's also detected at least 1 second before it passes. Similarly, this stop sign is detected as well, at least 1 second before it passes. And now we have two stop signs up ahead. It's detected clearly, and that one is well detected. So great. 1 second before it passes, that was the requirement, and it's done. Okay. And notice in this image, there's a lot of green, so that also minimizes false positives. Whereas when there's reddish hues, like in the desert, we have more false positives. And you can also see, compared to the other challenge set video I showed previously, there's a really large portion of the screen that is just unused at the top of the screen. So using a bottom region of interest was a lot better suited than a middle 30% region of interest. Frames per second, it's at 30, high 30s, I want to say. So definitely at least plus 30 frames per second, which is again in the optimal region for our feature. All right, and the warning of a stop sign ahead gets detected, which we have counted here as a stop sign because it still means slow down and it just fit in better with the stop signs. So, all right, we see another stop sign ahead. And great, it gets detected at least 1 second before it's passed, so that's awesome. And again, there's a lot of greenish hues, so we don't see false positives really in this video, which is a really nice touch. So it makes my feature suitable for generalized regions, I want to say, not as good for specialized regions like the desert, but given that there is a lot of green, most trees are green, they're not red, so it's definitely applicable to the majority of situations, I would say. And here we go, we have a stop sign ahead, and that gets detected as well, at least 1 second before it passes. Okay,